Second important indicator of sustainable development. Second important indicator of sustainable development is green environmental product. You may write green environmental product. Gross environmental product. Extremely sorry. Gross environmental product. Gross environmental product. Gross environmental product. Gross environmental product. Clear? Gross environmental product. The concept was established in 1997 by Robert Costanza. 1997 by Robert Costanza and other ecological scientists. Okay, other ecological scientists. Okay. It is a measure of products and services. It is a measure of products and services that ecosystem provides for human welfare, economic and social development, etc. Economic and social development, sustainable development, etc. Sustainable development, etc. Okay, sustainable development, etc. Clear? Sustainable development, etc. In 2021, Uttarakhand became the first state to devise a mechanism for estimation of gross environmental product, GEP, gross environmental product, based on valuation of ecosystem services. Ecosystem services means the goods as well as the services which are provided by an individual by an ecosystem to its inhabitants. Clear that? Okay, so ecosystem services as such as single term, it was invented in 1987, much before the concept of green environmental product can be put into use. But ecosystem services was utilized much later in the discourse, close to the beginning of 21st century. You get the point? Okay.